Time appears to slow down when we're having fun. But what's behind this subjective experience? Scientists have long been fascinated by the relationship between time and our emotions. The concept of time is often perceived as a linear progression, but it's not as straightforward as it seems. For centuries, philosophers have debated the nature of time and how it's experienced by humans. One theory is that time is relative, and our perception of it is influenced by our brain's processing speed. Imagine a film projector that can speed up or slow down the playback of a movie to create a sense of time dilation. Our brain processes visual information at a rate of 60 frames per second, but during times of high excitement or stress, this rate can increase. This can lead to the subjective experience of time slowing down or speeding up, depending on the situation. But that's not the strangest part. Research has shown that our sense of time is also influenced by our emotional state. For instance, when we're experiencing strong emotions like fear or joy, our brain can process information more quickly, leading to a distorted sense of time. This phenomenon occurs when our brain's default mode network is activated, allowing us to reflect on our experiences and emotions. The default mode network is responsible for our sense of self and our ability to reflect on past experiences. When this network is active, we can experience a sense of timelessness, as if time is standing still. But what about the physical world? Does time have any impact on the way things behave? One famous experiment known as the clock paradox showed that time can actually be affected by gravity and motion. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, time is relative and can be influenced by the strength of gravitational fields. Imagine a clock placed near a massive object like a black hole. Time would appear to slow down for the clock relative to a clock farther away. This effect has been observed in real-world experiments, where time dilation occurs in high-speed particles and strong gravitational fields. But what about the clock in our hands? How does it relate to the subjective experience of time? Our personal experience of time is often tied to the rhythms of our daily lives, such as the ticking of a clock. The clock on the wall can be a constant reminder of the passage of time, but its accuracy can be influenced by external factors. For instance, mechanical clocks can be affected by temperature and vibrations, leading to slight variations in timekeeping. Digital clocks, on the other hand, are highly accurate but can be affected by software glitches and power outages. So, what can we learn from the relationship between time and our emotions? By studying the subjective experience of time, we can gain insights into the workings of the human brain and the nature of consciousness. This knowledge can have practical applications in fields like psychology, medicine, and even technology. For instance, understanding how time is perceived by the brain can help develop more effective treatments for mental health disorders. It can also inform the design of more intuitive and user-friendly interfaces for digital devices. In conclusion, the relationship between time and our emotions is complex and multifaceted. By exploring this phenomenon, we can gain a deeper understanding of the human experience and the workings of the universe. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching. Join us next time for more thought-provoking content.